if you do this one thing too many times, it can actually backfire and cause less people to buy from you. My name's Leanna. I'm a paid media buyer, which basically means I manage and buy ads for other people to help them sell their services and products. So if you overdo this one thing, you can actually result in your campaigns being turned around and people not buying from you because you're annoying them. And what is that? It's when you're doing your retargeting campaigns, make sure that you check your frequency levels. It's going to be different in different networks. For example, in Facebook, you can actually set it so that it's one ad per person. Like you can say, just show this ad once to one person per day. Sorry, this ad to the same person once a day, or you can just let it run. And then you can even create an automated rule to say, hey, if they've seen it more than 2 times or 3 times, whatever number you want to choose, turn the ad off. So you want to make sure that you don't show it to people for like 10 times. You got to be just more, subtle, and just, don't be like right in front of people all the time, just doing it over and over and over again, because that's actually going to have the opposite effect. It's going to annoy them, and then they'll remember you, but they'll remember you and think, I don't want to do anything with this person because they just keep showing me the same thing over and over again. So make sure that you check the frequency on all of your retargeting campaigns so you don't make this big mistake. You can also find other rookie mistakes and 7 recipes of campaigns that have already been proven that you can just swipe and use in this book called Retargeting Recipes by Justin Brooke. It's available for free right now. All you have to do is go to the link on this page and follow the instructions. I've also created $500 in bonuses for you to pick up if you pick it up with the link on this page though. So make sure you go on over there, follow the instructions, get this book, and get started.